Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the grading comment library in Canvas, a powerful tool that allows instructors to save frequently used feedback and comments and quickly insert them while grading. Select the assignment, quiz, or discussion board that you would like to grade and click on SpeedGrader. If you're grading a discussion board, you may need to find SpeedGrader in the options menu rather than on the main page. In the grading sidebar, locate the Comment Library button. Click it to open the library panel. To add a new comment, type your feedback in the box, then click Add to Library. Your comment will now be available to reuse. When grading future assignments, simply open your comment library, select the saved comment you'd like to use, and it will automatically insert into the feedback field. You can also edit comments before posting them if you'd like to personalize the message further. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to use the grading comment library in Canvas. We hope this helps you save time, maintain consistency, and provide more meaningful feedback to your students. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the links below.